Alright guys, today we are operating a Cushman with a core harvester attachment on the side. This is the unit right here. Alright, and what we're going to do here is when you aerify your greens and they look like this, you use an attachment right here, the core harvester. And basically what you're going to do is, and I'll show you how to do it in a second, but you'll lower this down to the ground, and this V here, everything within that V is going to push the dirt. It's going to draw the dirt right into this belt here, and it's going to come up the belt. It's going to drop it onto this conveyor belt here, which in return is going to dump it into the bed. Now this is going to fill up pretty quickly. You should normally have somebody here pushing this stuff away for you, otherwise you got to stop very often and shove all the cores to the other side of the bed because it doesn't really fill up evenly. But then let's go ahead and do our first pass. Typically we're going to go right down the middle here. I don't like to put the wheels on top of the cores, but for the first pass we kind of have to. So we're going to go right down the middle. Show you how this works over here. Alright, get up to the edge of the green there. You're going to drop your core harvester down. And then you have this hydraulic control knob here, which you will pull up. And it's going to be really, really loud. It's going to sound like there's something banging around, but I assure you that's normal. Listen here. Hear that? It's going to scare the crap out of you if you never used it. You might think something's loose, but that's how they sound. Alright, so we're going to pull this up, and then we're going to go ahead and drive. Now you don't want to go too fast, just a nice little speed. See how that just draws that right into the belt there. When you get to the edge of the green, you are going to, and you can go ahead and shut it off while you make your turn if you wish. Now if you need to know how to operate this truckster, I did a whole separate video on that on my channel, because there is quite a few gauges and knobs and levers that really confuse people. So just search my channel for how to operate a Cushman truckster. Alright, so now we're going to line up this. Now as you see, my wheels from here out on this point won't be pushing down any of the dirt. And I can just follow this path right here, and my wheels will go down the actual green now. So we want to drop it down, and same thing, pull up. That's what it looks like when it's done. You know, you can see some remnants here and there, a couple little cores on the green, but basically what they'll do now is they'll bring they'll drag a rake across it and break all that down, and then they'll bring a blower and blow the rest off. Just the basics on it. I mean, there's a little bit of skill involved with it. Being that you're on the green, that is the sacred area. Take your time, go slow, don't force the machine. Don't forget, guys, please subscribe below, give me a like. I do videos daily. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, and that's it. See you next time.